Right guys, Monday night in the workshop, pissing it down. Not really got a lot to do, so doing some work on one of the projects. So this is a ZXR 400 swinging arm. So I'm using a ZXR swinging arm and frame for my project. But the engine I'm using, the swinging arm bolts to the rear engine mount. So I'm modifying the swinging arm to extend it so that the swinging arm mountings can go on the engine casings like the original frame, just to give it a bit of stability. So today I'm going to make the plates that fit in here, so I'll go through that with you. Ooh, new and shiny. Ooh, not bad for a YouTube welder.